My name is Hira Ratan Manek. I am popularly known in the Western world as HRM. My website is solarhealing.com. My email ID is hiraratanmanek@yahoo.com. I travel all over the world and give nearly 400 presentations. Nearly 200 of my presentations are in USA, Canada, Mexico, South America, and so on. I am preaching the science of sun gazing. Sun gazing has now established as the latest high-tech health technology. All diseases, whether they are mental, physical, are cured with the help of sun gazing. This is not a new technique. It is just a revival of an age-old ancient practice which was prevalent all over the world in all countries with all the cultures and all the religions. Slowly, we lost the science of sun gazing, which I have now brought back. And this sun gazing activates the dormant human brain. And when brain gets activated, the infinite resources that are within us, which God has given us, which are largely remaining dormant or silent, get activated. Brain is a supercomputer. I call brain as brainuter. The resources is the software, the programming that we already have. Mind is the keyboard and the mouse. Sunlight is the electricity. And when sunlight, safe sunlight, through the eye reaches the brain's efficiency is raised, and in that process, the practitioner by himself, without anybody's help, without any cost, cures all his life's problems, and he gets total health for mind, body, and spirit. Medical studies are on my website. Especially the major observation, the 411 days of fasting only on water, was observed by international team of 21 doctors around the clock in Ahmedabad, India, and that committee was chaired by Indian Medical Association President. The doctors and scientists who observed me in United States for 130 days, their list is also given on my website. One of them was one Andrew Newberg, who features in the film What the Bleep Do We Know? He is a brain expert. Another scientist, George C. Brainard, who is world authority on pineal gland, he also observed me. And I did even 211 days fast first time. That was in 95-96. That was also observed by a medical team. And now all those who have observed me, they agree that so many changes, so many benefits human body gets by sun gazing, sunbathing, drinking sun-charged water, walking barefoot on bare earth, and so on. This practice was in the ancient days. It was lost. Some saint, mother of Aurobindo Ashram Pondicherry, hinted at me, and I got then interested in this ancient practice from 1962 onwards. I went through different cultures, different practices of sun worship, sun gazing. Especially I made a deep study of the practice of Native Americans, their sun gazing dances. Also, what are the scientific reasonings behind pyramids, why people in Bolivia, Peru did sun gazing, why there are sun temples in Peru, why there is sun gazing, a religious practice in India. I went through all those things, got interested, and finally I evolved a practice which I experienced myself first, and when I was successful, when I got benefits, I put it before medical doctors, and when they agreed, now I am sharing with the world, so that human welfare and world peace can easily come in. For the last about 12 years, mostly I am on sunlight and water, but I do sometimes for social purposes or under some weather compulsions, sometimes take liquids like tea, coffee, buttermilk, some juices. And in last 10 years, I have taken solid food only 5 or 7 times. But mostly I am able to live most of the time only on sunlight and water. Can you tell people what to do and what not to do? Yes, I tell people not to sun gaze during odd hours. Science has now divided sunlight into 2 parts, the safe sunlight and the intense sunlight. Safe sunlight is a medicine and intense sunlight is a poison. For the eye, 1 hour from sunrise or within 1 hour before sunset are very safe, and they actually improve the health of the eye, even the vision. For the body, to get energy and medicinal values, when the sunlight warms you, when the ultraviolet index of the sun is between 2 and 5, if you sunbathe, you get a lot of benefits from the sun, and cancer, AIDS, TB, arthritis, rheumatism, kneecap problems, osteoporosis, all those problems get cured. So I always tell people to be slow in the process, do according to their comfort, and make use of only the safe sunlight. And even now the UK Cancer Society from Canada also have come out with the suggestions that one should not miss safe sunlight. If you miss safe sunlight, even then you are bound to get physical problems like cancer, AIDS, and so on. So make use of safe sunlight, avoid intense sunlight. This is what I tell people, and they should do according to their comfort, should not treat this as a crash program. Just proceed with this, read my website, my suggestions, my instructions there, and in case of doubt, they can email me at hiraratanmanek@yahoo.com, and I am very quick to reply to the questions that come on my website. And I guide everyone all over the world. My website is solarhealing.com, and anybody sends questions, I immediately answer, and my website is also available in different languages. Many people have translated, and so you can read it in Portuguese, you can read it in Dutch, in Spanish, and even in French, and so on, even in Russian. So this message of sun gazing is going all over the world and is spreading.